Vice President Sara Duterte says she does not mind having the office of the Vice President totally defunded, as she sees it as part of an alleged coordinated attack against her. In a video interview shared by the OVP on Wednesday, September 11, Duterte says her office is ready to work even without a budget. According to Duterte, the OVP will continue their operations despite what she describes as attacks against her.
Handa ako sa Office of the Vice President na magtrabaho kahit walang budget. Maliit lang yung opisina namin, maliit lang yung operations namin, kaya kayang-kaya namin na magtrabaho kahit walang budget. Alam naman namin na kapartiyan ng pag-atake. Kaya kami, tutuloy-tuloy lang din kami sa kailangan namin gawin para sa bayan.
Several lawmakers earlier said they were considering reducing the OVP's proposed funding and transferring it instead to social services. Lawmakers from the House of Representatives raised this possibility on Tuesday, September 10, after Duterte skipped the deliberations on the OVP's proposed 2025 budget. Duterte, in the video interview, calls on the public not to be swayed by politics, reminding them that it is not unusual for the Vice President to be politically attacked.
Kung makikita natin sa kasaysayan, lagi talagang inaatake ang Vice President dahil siya yung tinitingnan ng mga tao na baka magiging sunod na presidente. So lahat ng mga gustong tumakbong presidente ay uunahin nila atakihin talaga ang Vice President. Kaya huwag sila magpadala sa ingay ng paninira at politika.